You get on Netty where I get these ideas. I'm gonna surprise everybody with this one. I'm gonna puppet Tom Cruise. What song is it? I don't know. You have to wait and find out. She uses the code 49, God's judgment. Woman God's judgment.
Stay away from me.
Stay away from me, you
I don't want to.
peg.
It's not safe here. We need to leave now.
Oh, the battery's cutting out.
It was always her.
Should I take a chance?
Wasn't it?
I'll go get a battery just in case.
She's my wife.
If it cuts out, just swap it.
Problem with my technician.
You don't know what you're doing.
I struggle to give me what I want. Can you please
I think I'll just start that all over.
I struggle
Since the battery quit, you missed the best part.
Open the door.
Stay away from me. I don't want to hear it.
It's not safe here. We need to leave now.
It was always her. Wasn't it?
Here.
I'm gonna go on the code she gives. The 49 Woman God Judgment.
She's my wife.
You had it. You're done. Lock them out.
Mission, this is Tower 49.
Go ahead, 49.
I'm having a problem with my technician.
You don't know what you're doing.
I struggle to give me what I want. Can you please stay right now? I struggle.
Does he do any lyrics? I have no idea. I'm just recording whatever I want. They gave the come on code. I know your number, 49.
Don't the others want you anymore? If you're gonna call,
They don't want you no more.
I see I'm stronger.
I'm stronger.
Stronger than those you had before.
Do the lyrics. How does it do that?
Now the table's turning.
The table's turning.
I could get you underneath my thumb. Have you got a heart? Is it a heart?
Look, I pause it and it's like some other lyric.
Tell me, is it pounding like a drum?
It's pounding wrong. God, look, they got her all freaked out. Don't touch me. I turn my back. Uh-oh. Oh, that gave me the chills. What happened to her? Uh-oh. It's gone. The 2 second trigger. Ooh, what was that? We shut it down, Brian. On the 256 number. How does that happen? Night guard. What's the name of the picture? Break. $166. His own drone's coming after him. A second savior. It sets up the other video that I never did. I'm out.